Do you spend a lot of time in a small kitchen and want to make it a little more luxurious? In this short video, I will share with you some of the preparation and steps that went into renovating mine. Each year, the incredible designs and high-end appliances at the New York Architecture Show leave me in awe. There are so many gorgeous items that I want to take home with me. I highly recommend visiting your town's architecture show for inspiration before you start your kitchen, bathroom, or any home remodeling project. Of course, you can always just consult with us. My kitchen was very outdated. It had oversized appliances and cabinetry that was too small. For your unique solution, consult with a contractor for best results. A good contractor will measure your kitchen, look at your ideas, and offer you some advice. This is a look at the other half of my kitchen, which was very small. I wanted more cabinetry, high-end appliances that were less bulky in my small space, and a tall fridge. We rendered designs that were appropriate for the space and matched my desires. Selling your entire kitchen on social media is one of the best, quickest, and most efficient things you can do. You'll maximize your return, and you will also get somebody to haul the items away. Between Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, my entire kitchen was sold within a few days. The rush was on to clear away my items, and oh, did I have so many items. The kitchen items were all packed away. Time for some demolition joy. Our demo was going great right up until this surprising discovery that scared us. We found electrical work right through the cabinetry. There was a BX cable that went right through the cabinets, right next to the return for the water supply. So the electrical cord was in the BX cable, and it carries live power right next to the plumbing underneath the sink. Water could easily have leaked through my standard countertop or any of these plumbing fixtures and come in contact with the live wire, causing fire, if anything. So we're investigating and we're going to resolve the issue. We're seeing what's behind this outlet right here. We are relocating the plumbing as well as the electrical. We are putting the BX cable through the studs, which is where it should have been in the first place. So now I'll have a nice, safe kitchen as a base for my new kitchen renovation. Once the man with the van comes to the fridge, we can start with the floors because we don't want to move this. Check back for part 2 of my kitchen renovation. I'll be sharing important steps in the process, including shopping for accessories and appliances. I'll also show you how we resolve further issues as they occurred. Check out our blog at natodaconstruction.com/blog. We are Natoda Construction. We renovate and remodel homes. Visit us at natodaconstruction.com.